Today marks a very special occasion. It's John's birthday. We, the rest of the Sound Thoughts, have been training from the master himself in the ancient ways of the dad roar, also known as stunt roaring. To honor him on his day of birth, we decided to create a basic instructional video on how, when, and where to use the dad roar. However, we're still amateurs, so our technique may be a bit off. Happy birthday, John.
One, two, three. Yeah! One, two, three. Yeah! One. Ready? One, two, three. Yeah!
Hey! I want 13 pizzas! With everything on them! Thank you.
As stopping increases your risk of having if you have an artificial heart valve or needing to stop. Seek immediate medical.
Well, this is kind of important. Happy birthday, John. And I hope you have many more just like this or even better. And keep being the fine man you are.